Guys, I will come to say my honest review concerning some of the tutorial videos that they are about making money online. Like now, if you go to the search bar and you just type how to make money online, you will see a lot of videos. You will see that a lot of videos will show up, and you will see videos like how much I make in my YouTube channel. And they're hiding it. They're not telling you exactly what they do to earn that money. Sometimes you will just be like, you will just see something like how I make money from copying and pasting, and some will just be like how I make money online by watching other videos on this website. Serious. If you follow the tutorial videos, like let's say 10 of them on how to make money online, just now as you are watching this video, you will discover that you will have to pass through apps, websites, watching, doing like none of them. They are not saying the truth. I just wish people to give to us true videos. Even if you want to have video on your channel, you have people to come and watch them, just be honest. Like if you search 10 videos now on how to make money online, believe me, not even one will be true. Not even one will be true. You will see some will say, I went to this website, the name of the website would be this, I will review it at the end of this video, stay tuned, just be watching. Like now, by the time you will get to the place where they will tell you the name of the website, they will take you to a browser. They'll be manipulating their browser. Some will take you to an app. On this app, you can make this particular amount. Like, they are not saying the truth. They are not saying the truth. A lot of tutorial videos on how to make money online, and nobody is actually making money online from all those tutorial videos. Like serious, this I've really come here to share this. You can also tell me in the comment section, maybe some of the tutorial videos you watch on how to make money online, some came out true, or some, if you really try to follow them up, you can even be scammed. I don't think that the people doing the videos on those sites or websites, apps, pages, all the rest tutorial videos you will see on how to make money online, if they have really tried it out and it worked for them. I believe that if YouTube really want to follow up some kind of things, a lot of people will lose their videos. A lot of them, a lot of videos will be deleted from YouTube. So tutorial videos on how to make money online, I will tell you that you are actually the one making the money for them online. Well, how? By watching the video. They are going to make a very long video, like 12 minutes, some even 30 minutes, some even 21 minutes, on how to make money online. And they will just turn you around. If you want, try to follow the video, try to follow the tutorials that you are watching. None of them will work out. You will discover that at the end of the day, you have tried to follow like 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. None of it will work. By the time you will maybe try some, you will see that they are working gradually. They are working. By the time you reach like, okay, you need to reach this particular amount in order for you to withdraw. The time you want to withdraw, they will tell you have to bring like 5 people. You have to bring like 6 people. You need to do like this, or you need to verify again like this. Once you are trying to verify, it will not work. You will get tired and you will just abandon it. So all these tutorial videos on how to make money online, I will tell you that they are just traps. You are the one making the money for them by watching it, by watching those videos.